na se kese enkoma krura empire na mebozi nyankopon nkoso anu nhira no nkoso an ma nyansa no nkoso an ma nyini che na afutuo ene ambamba odi ma yeni nyina no akoso ni enya e de afri se enyo opimso a adewi kemaso.
Wow, this is beautiful. Oh, okay. Ah, yeah. No, come on. Let me see it again.
So let's watch it.
Oh, okay.
For me, say first na hard time.
Then the bar.
Okay.
Oh wow. Once you exit, the light is supposed to go. Wow.
Wow. Listen, I first saw it at number 1 Oxford Street, Chades Hotel at Cantonment.
Okay.
When you enter the room, automatically the lights come on. When you go off, then that's not change there.
What I'm going to do is to station janitors here.
Oh, okay.
So that they will be tending to the floor and yes, consistency.
So similar to the mall, every time there's cleaning going on.
Wow.
Wow.
This is one office. New set of furniture.
Oh, okay.
Wow. This is so nice.
These are the chairs
Wow.
for the nursing stations, the various houses.
The next station.
Today is even cooler.
Yes.
Yeah. I think because of the architecture.
Yeah. Wow, a kitchen.
No,
These kitchens are mostly at Airbnb, so.
but the way I want to say I feel. Otumfour sent to the second. Any professor
Today I was saying on radio that I come here for pictures and I'll show you.
Yeah, this one we spoke about last time.
Just look at that.
I beg the driver details.
Wow. So this is where the nurses will be stationed. Wow.
This is come on. It's here. Has said come on. I was supposed to wait. I can't about
Wow.
These are not yet they are ready.
Obi Awaba had the beer 2 years ago.
Hello, Chief. I'm Eugene. I work in Labour. Chief, nice meeting you. Nice meeting you.
Now there's a Wi-Fi system.
Yeah. Hey, Prof, for the Wi-Fi account.
Oh yeah.
Oh, okay, so these are the samples of the bears in the boxes, right? These are the sample of bears in the boxes. Oh, okay.
The other things in the boxes are the side cabinets.
Oh, okay. Oh, wow. Side cabinets. Wow. That's nice. Yeah.
Access control.
Yeah. To the other card, the Toswa, maybe.
Oh, yeah. Oh, you do that, right? Well, okay. I do want to get to the old structure.
Yeah, exactly. On every floor you have a server room, but I had the main.
How many security zones? Yeah, right? What's that?
There's also an elevator.
But this one
is not working.
When this man came here, my 100,000 Ghana cedis every month for 10 months, 1 million.
Okay.
And over so wow, for this kind of work that you have done, let's call it for
Wow. Then, Prof, I think that you need to do more site visitation because when they see the thing, like the Joshua thing we're talking about, it brings some, energy in them. Yeah.
Hey, Charlie, Casio.
Wow.
Wow. That was too about an liberty, Papa. This is really
Okay, so it reads, thank you, Otumfour C.E.O, for your timely intervention to rescue Komfo Anokye Teaching Hospital. Your wise counsel and guidance have been the foundation for this milestone. Asantehene is indeed grateful.
Oh, I'm not fit.
For those who have paid 100,000 Ghana cedis.
Oh, okay.
But this is not exhaustive. Say
Oh, okay. Oh, so like Ghana Gas, ADB, NHIS, Honorable Educhim. Oh, okay. Justin Kodia. Oh, okay. Cow Bank, Napo. Wow, that's nice. Oh, wow. Sefa Traditional Council. Oh, Seshi. Wow. Wow. Unity. Vodafone Foundation. Oh, okay. Oh, okay. Yeah.
I'm not going to look at my next week.
Wow. No, washroom way there. Some station janitors when you are there.
No, but the architecture is good because these things don't get dirty.
Yeah.
Like yes, old house, like this things. Emergency convoy.
Oh, okay.
But emergency convoy.
Oh, okay. Oh, okay. It's a home way now, or can a home way patient, direct, maybe a emergency, no chance, message NHIA card, you can come here.
My sister-in-law was down there.
The special one.
Yeah, special. Actually, NHIA is friend.
Oh, okay. Until Anya Escafodia, we will create the child that be baha. Wow. So, Chief, for me listeners, Ubu on Tia Darius, Adiwa Hospital, no, what's the significant name first way a day?
Normally, it's a I never be a fire for between you or me that be a raising or more 10 and now they have been doing our we said you should know anytime we are time to issue for emergency. Emergency by a fire service in the bar, on for the beer or by the people. We are two goes to buy a call meters, 70 meters. Because if you see other side, when we meet in yes, any angle or heavy job to your people will call.
No, do
fire
safety. There's a Komfo Anokye just she has some there. A bit me as grana and said, no, me a son. I mean, Sham, my yard, that's it. But your papa says, one never have made my 20 years. But your friend say, Abusco. Oh, okay, nice. Wow. Oh, look at the curtains. Wow. Look, where the DB hospital found. Wow. So 2 blocks have been renovated up and down. 2 floors. 2 floors have been renovated up and down. Yeah. TV, big screen for the patient. Jahana best BCC. Say na windows that and a profile chair. Say na windows that. Wow.
Yeah. The first thing the healing process, and it's a local commander. They are referring to so after another nursing station, which are I'm only waiting in the
Yeah. Wow. This is beautiful. I like the curtains. Looks expensive. Yeah. Hey, look, we have video no Uchana old block repart who's Cabo Mo. Oh, okay.
Yeah. Ceiling, Ghana. Curtains, Ghana. Paint,
Some kind of buy and I'm on painting. Yeah.
The total cost is around 350 or 400,000.
Wow.
They gave us paints for 9 blocks. 9.
I think I was going to, was it Bekwai? Then I saw it. I think when you came, it was few months into it. Yeah. Wow. Prof, well done. Prof, your final message to people.
No, I just want to tell the people of Ghana that this fundraising drive that Otumfour embarked on is one that everybody should be happy about and happily contribute to. You see, I keep making the point that Komfo Anokye is key to our health so far as those of us in Asantehene and beyond are concerned. It serves as a referral center for about 12 out of the 16 units. Look at our emergency unit.
Prof, chief from me.
Oko drew her. Any panel doors. I will see you on the Basra. But obey you being a Basra. Maybe you hear oxygen. In the previous arrangement, there were only about 3 or 4 beds on the ward, oxygen ports. But presently, what we have done is to have oxygen ports on all the beds, so that in the event that all the people in the world need oxygen, you don't need to move anybody.
Exactly.
Right where they are lying, we bring oxygen at their mom. And Nasia Cassia and Koma Krura and Pina Mabos in Yankoswa Nunshan, non Coswa in Maniansa, non Coswa money in check. Now a foot tour and a bamboo, the money in Yan. A coso Nianya at their freedom. Say, a no Pimswa, a dewy. Now, make that multimedia and social. I'm not saying this because more, but if there's one media house, press house, omoye adverts, day in, day out of champion is our cause multimedia. Fact, there are others who are helping, but multimedia is ahead of the pack. And you know the interesting thing, I need to let the people know. Say, multimedia hasn't taken a dime for this that they are doing. I'm sure it's because we believe that it's part of their corporate social responsibility.